Hello friends, I am Dr. Umesh Bansod from the Department of English, J.M. Patel College, Bhandara, Maharashtra. Welcome back in the fourth part of the Phrasal Verbs. Phrasal Verbs की जो लेक्चर सीरीज हम पिछले 3 अलग-अलग लेक्चर्स में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, उसके अंतिम पड़ाव में आज है. Today we shall discuss finally phrasal verbs from T to Z. T से स्टार्ट होकर Z तक के जो अलग अलग फ्रेजल वर्ब्स हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेजल वर्ब्स हैं, उन्हें आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे और यहाँ पर हमारी फ्रेजल वर्ब की चर्चा समाप्त हो जाएगी. आज का पहला फ्रेजल वर्ब से सेव ऑन मीन्स टू रिड्यूस और अवॉइड कंजम्पशन इन ऑर्डर टू कट कॉस्ट. कम करना या कीमत कम करने के लिए व्यय बचाना, खर्चा बचाना. आई एम ट्राइंग टू सेव on fuel by taking the public transport. Next is save up. Save up means save money for specific purpose or collect or store. किसी विशेष उद्देश्य से पैसे बचाना. I am saving up to the old newspapers to make carry bags from them. Settle for means accept what is available due to lack of choice. पर्याय के अभाव में जो कुछ है उसे स्वीकार करना. I finally had to settle for these shoes because there aren't many of my size available. Settle on means agree, सहमत होना. After a lot of discussion, they finally settled on a name for the new venture. Screw up means perform badly in something. किसी कार्य में खराब प्रदर्शन करना. I was so nervous that I screwed up in my exam. See off means go to airport or railway station to say goodbye to someone. विदा करना. My friend came to the airport to see me off. See through means to be aware that someone is lying or fooling you. किसी द्वारा मूर्ख बनाने की जानकारी होना. कोई हमें मूर्ख बना रहा है इसका एहसास हो जाना. The boss could see through her excuses. Settle down means start living a routine and fixed life. रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की शुरुआत करना, settled हो जाना. You need to find a good job and settle down. Take after means resemble, समानता होना, एक समान दिखना या अपनी परछाई जैसे दिखना. He is also good at music. He has taken after his father. Take back means make someone nostalgic. Retract a statement. पुरानी याद दिलाना. Nostalgic feel करना. This music is taking me back to the 90s. Take down means write notes or remove something. कुछ लिखना या कुछ हटाना. She takes down everything that the teacher says. Please take down the Christmas tree now that Christmas is gone. These are 2 sentences. Take it means accept criticism. टिप्पणी का स्वीकार करना. I couldn't take it anymore after a while. Take it out on means abuse someone because you are angry. गुस्से में गाली गलौज करना. She has a demanding boss and she takes it out on her family. Take it upon yourself mean assume responsibility on your own. खुद जिम्मेदारी लेना. She takes it upon herself to clean the premises. Talk down to means to talk in such a way as to show superiority. बोलचाल में खुद को ऊंचा दिखाना. The boss has no right to talk down to his subordinates. Talk into means to persuade someone or to do something. कुछ करने के लिए समझाना. The salesman talked me into buying this dress. talk out of means to persuade someone not to do something. कुछ नहीं करने के लिए किसी को समझाना. She wanted to invite her friends over during the lockdown, but her father talked her out of it. Urge upon means to persuade or to pressure to accept. मनाना या स्वीकार करने के लिए दबाव बनाना. The people urged upon the government to have a CBI inquiry. Use up means to use the whole of it. संपूर्ण इस्तेमाल करना. They used up the sugar and now they need to buy some more to make sweets. Usher in means to cause something new to start. कुछ नए की शुरुआत करना. The economic reforms should usher in more opportunities for the youths. Vamp up means improvise करना, make up something more exciting. सुधार करना, किसी चीज को बेहतर करना. They vamped up the place as they are going to have. Veer away from means to run away, to turn or swerve away suddenly. अचानक मुड़ जाना. Fortunately, a major disaster was averted as the car veered away from the crowd. Walk away from means leave something, छोड़कर जाना. You don't like, it's better to walk away from the group if you don't agree with their principles. Walk away with means win easily, आसानी से जीतना. He is so good that he walked away with the medal. Walked out on, to leave somebody angrily, किसी को गुस्सा दिलाना, गुस्से में छोड़ देना. She walked out on her husband. Whip up means make food quickly or mixed quick food quickly to make it thick. Make people feel strongly about something. जल्दी खाना पकाना, किसी चीज को क्विकली पकाने के लिए प्रयास करना, या फिर मेक पीपल फील स्ट्रांगली अबाउट समथिंग, कुछ लोगों को उसका ज़्यादा एहसास कराना. डोंट लीव, आई विल वीप अप द ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर यू. वर्क थ्रू मीन्स डील विथ, रिजॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम और यूजुअली इमोशनल, समस्या को सुलझाना. इट टुक हिम अ लॉन्ग टाइम टू वर्क थ्रू हिज डिप्रेशन. Yield to means surrender करना, स्वाधीन करना. She finally yielded up to the temptation and ate the entire sweet. Zero in on means direct or focus attention to. ध्यान देना. The teacher zeroed in on a few students so that they can be prepared for the competitive exam. Zip by means pass quickly, जल्दी से गुजरना. He zipped by and the police could do nothing. Zip up means keep quiet, चुपचाप रहना. If you don't know anything, it's better to zip up in the meeting. Zone out means not pay attention, ध्यान नहीं देना. I usually get zoned out in the algebra class. Zoom in means focus on, ध्यान देना. The moment her name was mentioned, the camera zoomed in on her husband. Zoom out means focus lays closely. कम दूरी से देखना, कम दूरी से ज़्यादा ध्यान देना. The camera zoomed out and gave the entire view. In this way, students, we tried to understand A to Z different phrases in 4 of the lectures. 4 अलग-अलग lectures में A to Z हमने अलग-अलग फ्रेजल वर्ब्स जानने की कोशिश की. उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये सारे वीडियोस आपको फ्रेजल वर्ब्स को समझने में आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग विथ मी.